Gwapo lagi ito siya. Mabot si Brett ba kay kuan? O mga ayo man na siya diha. Mangutanam na siya kung asa ko. Ingna lang nga kuan ba nga murag nilakaw bitaw ko niadto ko sa Ilaha. Inaha, mabot to siya. What's up, dude? Balik na po. Kuya ni mo.
Kalas ko gasolina nimo. Nagay sa douchebag.
Bro, again. Yo guys, namin diri sa among spot. Yo guys, what's up? I'm at Brett's house. Gonna have a sleepover.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep together.
Palitan Brett bang ano mong mama bang? Gawa sa doy kay mga on sa amin.
We're cooking fried hot dogs.
Okay, wa mo kabalo guys. Si Brett kay best cook ni siya diri sa Dipolog.
So girls, get a man who can cook.
Bro. This is Brett's masterpiece. Pero kaning sudana dili siya galutuan eh.
That's too good.
Mananamog walk si Chick, si Furball, o si Chiclet. Matumiron sa akong igsuon. Siya may kiri kay magkuha may hard drive. Let's go! Chikaw na kaning bata ba kay may ngani. Ayo, nerd. Basta may hard drive eh. Tanaw may kan. Madi na siya igsuon ako. Basi di mo tuwa kay gwapo ra kayo. Dala naman ligay papi. Papi. Bitch. Curvet. Apa naman ba bitch. Bye Nart. Yo guys, what's up? So nadi ko diri sa balay ni Brett. Isugo siya sa mama ako ra isa diri sa kwarto. So, diri day may mag-sleepover mi ni Brett, pero ang wa ko kabalo, mag-sleepover day siya kay manginom mi. Wa ko kabalo nga. Mo day yung pakay. Dira siya oh. Gimbita ko niya diri sa sleepover. Kaya ron mag-inom-inom. Guys, wa jud ko kabalo. Igod siya sleepover daw may diri daw may tanaw daw may salida pero magiginom di ay. Brett mga mungay.
Wow!
Di may siya ngani sa una katong sukad atong na broken kay siya. Palitaon siya kani o kani.
Wow.
Intang. Ug kana. Brett kinsay gwapo.
Ikaw!
Yo guys, what's up? What's up? This Brett right here drinking his drink. Shout out to Walt ang kuan, ang James Charles ng Dipolog. Kay wala siya karon. Nangi si Brett ako siyang lakan.
Dude, open up.
Tulog na ko ugma na pod. Ina Master Dexter.
Master, fuck you.
Ina please Master.
No.
Na please Master Dexter.
No.
Ina Master Dexter greatest.
No.
Na Master Dexter greatest the best.
No.
The best Master Dexter greatest.
No.
Okay.
Ibis nagmahal-mahal ko rin ko. Hindi ko pa ikaw rin mabagay sa nina na mag-iyak-iyak man ko. Hindi ko pa Dexter na okay lang, uminaw dyan ko nimo. Karon, I'm so happy. Happy kay COVID kayo. For your information, dili may underage, yung cool kids na we're 16 and we're drunk. No. I'm nearly 20 years old and Dexter is 18. Shut the hell up. I promise my father, I will be successful.
Huh?
I will be successful for them. Even though wala na akong this is father. So hindi ba happy na successful lang anak, di ba?
Lagi. Are you drunk?
Kinda.
So guys, I'm gonna try Brett's shoes. Real quick. It's so nice. Wow, nice shoes, Brett. Skechers. Look at my new shoes.
The hell? Why the hell did you get that? It's a brand new shoes.
Yo guys, Brett is about to pee. Hey, don't lock the door.
Marco Polo.
Look at Brett.
Do I look drunk? Pulling me.
He looks like shit. So guys, what's up? Time check. It's
Shit, Rene.
now I'm gonna do something to Brett. And also after that, I'm gonna slap him.
This is Dexter. I'm gonna slap him.
No, you can't slap him.
I'm gonna
slap him.
punch him. I'm gonna slap him again. He's my best friend in the world.
Ouch!
He slapped
Give
me.
me that.
Bitch.
Why'd you do that to me, huh? Hi guys, so this is the weirdest hug ever. Hug, bro.
No.
Yo guys, we finished everything. How about you, Brett? How do you feel?
I don't even know what's real anymore.
Yo guys, hi, what's up? We've just finished. That's all for the vlog.
Thank you.
Like
for
and
watching.
subscribe. Like and subscribe. That's all for the vlog. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching Archo.
I love you, mate. I will marry you.
How do you feel, bro? How do you feel?
I'm still dead.
You feel dead. I'm gonna have to kill you now.
Alright, I'm dead.
Okay.
I love me. I'm gonna marry her.
Yeah.
Just you wait. I will love you for eternity.